Model 2020 VAUXHALL Vivaro TRAFIC 1 Diesel 2700 1.5d Sportive Spares OR Repairs Body, white, panel van mileage, 109,311 Engine, 1,499 cc DV5 RUC Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Nice easy repair on this engine. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect condition. Summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control, aircon. EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £1,150. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074